What is up, guys? Welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some people who apparently were out of town when they were giving away some driving skills, aka idiots in cars. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, we are starting today with my country, and sometimes our interpretation of traffic rules is very interesting, to say the least. Welcome to Serbia, everybody. And a wild trash can decided to leave the previous owner and pull an insurance scam on the truck driver. And here's the masterpiece of a car that makes you look at Fiat Multipla and say, what a great looking car. That was your average Cybertruck owner in action, right there. Wait a minute, something ain't right here. He's using blinkers, which means he's an imposter. Although that move was really good, we are still not buying it. You are fake. We all know that a real BMW driver would never use the blinkers. Uh-oh, that was a bit too optimistic. That was so close that bro's lifespan just got shortened a bit. 6.9 years to be exact. Oh, those two just got love tapped from behind without being asked first. And now, once again, we are back to Serbia. Let's see, what is this guy up to? No. Ooh. This dingleberry was on the phone. A možda I jampi. Kakva šimpanzo čoveka. Neverovatno. Welcome back to the National Crashographic channel. We are now observing this human trying not to crash. And as you can see, it's already not going too great. But anyways, he's now gonna try to make things right by reversing out of there and never looking back. No, don't pull out! Oof. Watch out for those Duracell batteries on wheels. These guys are a real road hazard, and I'm not even joking. Oh, that's really funny, Mercedes. The practical jokers these days. Blinkers on, which means, of course, you magically gain the right of way. We all know that. Damn, bro. Leave some women for the rest of us. That is a brand new custom Akrapovic exhaust system. And in the front we have some Linglongs, Pirelli P0s. Because best or nothing, right? Peekaboo! Oh! It's never a good idea to play peekaboo in traffic. He was like, let me put this bad boy in R for race mode, real quick. Pure genius. He just blew us all away with his stupidity, and some say he's still there. Let's see here. Power! And there goes the banana peel slip. Hang in there, bro. Hold it. A little detour, no big deal. Bring it back, and yes! Bro's life just flashed in front of his eyes. And I think he's gonna need to change his pants real quick. Because many more than 2 drops of pee came out, for sure. What is this guy doing? Oh, being a pure driving genius. Right there. Watch and learn. From the best. Uh-oh. Stop! His quattro system was not quattering for some reason. Now let's see what is going on in a country where you chase spiders with a frying pan. Oh, bro got some skills. I'm only wondering what is going on with the food in that box. I hope it's alright. Power! No, bad Mustang! Dearie me. Bro was flying. And also he's being chased by the 5-0. That explains a lot. On to the next one we go. Brother, ooh, what's that, brother? It was probably the phone, but we can only hope that he's gonna learn something from this. Let's see here. Oh, that's a great idea. Way to go, bro. He bought an off-road vehicle and he's using it. Whoa, that was well parked. And it's safe to say that your driving is trash. Whoa, take it easy, bro. Slow down before it's too late. You're not in water park and it's too late. I think he now learned how quickly a car can become a boat. Let's see here. That dude decided the red light doesn't apply to him, and booyah! Whack!
Oh my god!
It's only a shame that those 2 guys had to pay for his stupidity. On to the next one we go. Careful. Oof. That was one very romantic date with a wall. And I don't think that dude wants another one. And again, it's banana peel. No! Ooh, that was a biggie. Oh, look, Mom, look what I can do. Check this out. Oh, we missed it. We didn't see it. Do it again. Very impressive indeed. They see me rolling, my chest is twisted, patrolling and trying to catch me right in there. Oh, that is what I call four-wheel steering, right there. Let's see what is going on here. Bro, I think it's the perfect time to brake. Hit the brakes, come on, brake, 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 brake. Ooh. Maybe it was a brake failure, or maybe he was sleeping, but in any case, I'm glad nobody was there. Leroy Jenkins! And into the ditch you go. You always have to adjust your speed. He was going way too fast, no doubt about it. Whoa, hold on, big boy, hold on, bro. Why did you do that? He basically bullied him off the road. And unfortunately, it's not over yet. Hold it, bro, hold it, hang in there. Ooh, that actually went much better than I thought. But yeah, that was pure arrogance.
Oh, you suck.
Oh, yeah, she's right. It's like, has anyone ever told you that you're like a vacuum cleaner? Because you suck. No, 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 what are you doing? Come on, bro. It's not that hard to stop for a few seconds, you dingleberry. Oh, well, 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 what do we have here? A Jeep and a Prius. This is gonna be epic, probably. One of them is worrying about miles per gallon and the other is worrying about miles per gallon. Which one are you guys? And also, why are they saying the Jeep isn't a green vehicle? Look at this one. It looks pretty green to me. But anyways, we are moving on to the next one. Oh, when you're minding your own business and stupidity attacks you, it's lurking in the shadows. Oof. He also had one-to-one appointment with the wall. For some reason. We have a lot of those today. And the Tokyo Drift kicked in. Whack! Oh, the little flash of his headlights. The car was like, help me! Whoa, bro just spawned in. And look, they're twins! And obviously one is way smarter than the other. Whoa! Meanwhile on Audi Airlines. I think that was Audi. Whack the Tesla, whack the Tesla, whack the Tesla, not the other car, no! Ooh. Shut up! You did the same thing. And also you're driving almost fully automated car. Which means you don't get to tell someone how to drive their car. Because you don't know anything about it. Oh, it's again the notorious banana peel. Hold it, bro, you can save it. Yes! Great success! On to the next one we go. Oh, why am I not surprised? It's always someone with mismatching body panels. Color-wise, of course. It was a peaceful neighborhood until one guy decided to get a pole position. Or the sign position to be exact. I don't know what that stop sign ever did to him, but it is what it is. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh! That is actually the best Jeep driver out there. You should see the others. Oh no! Oh, that was close. This is what happens when everybody wants to jump a rat. But at least he saved it, I'll give him that. And meanwhile, this guy just did an epic 360 because he doesn't have friends. He got family. Can you drive any closer to me, please? Op, op, and see ya. Well, he or she asked for it. So nobody's gonna feel bad about it. Oh, hello, hello, you whole truck. They are known, they are the definition of safe driving. Look at that, he just took an exit. Well, it was not that bad compared to the others. You may kiss the bride. And they lived happily ever after. Very nice. I see this guy likes to deliver the freedom a lot. You know what I mean? I'm sure you do. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did and you want to see more of this, please smack that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. I love you all. Ciao, ciao.